What's up, everybody? This is going to be pretty much a quick video. I'm recording this on my phone, I'll be honest with you. Redoing the studio, so the cameras are down right now. So what I wanted to show you guys was I have my K10 High Trail here with the F-150 rims and tires. As you can see, if you know the kidney bean pattern rims, they're supposed to come with the F-150. I like these style rims somewhat. I just don't like, I'm not a fan of chrome. I would like to paint all this stuff black and everything, but that's not the premise of the video. The premise of the video is these black rims right here. All right. So these are INJORA rims, and yes, these tires are the same tires. These are the, what are they called? Baja Pro Mickey Thompsons. Okay, so these are the ones that actually come with the High Trail and the F-150. And yes, I have them on a pair of INJORA rims. So I'm going to tell you guys how to do that. There's going to be a link in the description of this video for this particular product that INJORA sells or has been selling, if I'm not mistaken. So what this does is allows us to attach these tires onto any INJORA, well, not any, but an INJORA rim that fits this particular diameter. These rings don't come with these rims, so if yours look different, don't be upset. I just took those off of my Defender. So what we're going to do here is basically remove this, and as you can see, that's a stock rim, stock tire. There's going to be no real editing on this video, so I'm going to take this ring that comes from INJORA, and there you go. It's got their name right there. I'm going to put that inside here. So there is going to be editing, because I'm not going to have you guys sit through me take apart the bolts on the actual rim. So this is all nice and installed now, almost. Got to get the tire to sit. So one of the biggest reasons why stock TRX4 tires do not fit the INJORA rims is because the thickness of the actual bead of the rim or the tire itself is so thick. So you can see the difference. This is like flat and thin, and then these things are just outrageously thicker. So right now I'm going to take off all 6 of these bolts using a 1.05. That says inch. I always say millimeters, so I don't know which is which. But we're going to set these in and counterclockwise. I'm going to do this off camera and then come right back. All right, so I got all 6 bolts out. Now the rim comes apart in 3 pieces like this. Again, this piece is going to have white lines on it. When you buy these brand new, it's not going to have the gold. The gold is weighted. These are from another build. I had these already in my Defender and I was swapping them out. I just kept the rings together because the other rings are in another pack somewhere. So this is the big difference between the rings. As you can see, it's a really significant difference. So these will fit any INJORA rims any INJORA wheels that they come out with, pretty much, that are 1 inch. And then this ring is for 1 inch TRX4M tire, wheel tire. All right, so I hope you guys can notice the difference. That's the lip there. This is the lip here. You see how pronounced that is? So now what the thing is that these rims fit within. Okay, so I'll show you. So it needs to be just like that, and it'll fit on both sides. So now this tire is in. You see I have the insert in there already. So now I'm just going to drop this bad boy in, and they fit pretty directly, as you can see right there. Flip that over. You see the inside. Looks really good. I know it looks a little bit blurry. I am using my phone camera. It takes longer to adjust, and I'm not really waiting for it. So we're gonna line that up with the front pattern so that way we could drop the tire down. And believe it or not, it drops right down pretty much where you don't even need the long set of screws, because these rims, I don't know if you guys seen the other video that I did, it comes with about 3 screws that are longer than the typical screws, so that way you could grab the rims and pull them together, grab each side of the rim and pull them together. You pretty much don't need that with this setup. They clamp together down. I'm gonna try to grab one, set it up, and show you real quick. And already, I don't know if you guys can see it back there, right there. It already, you know, took the bait, I guess you could say, or, you know, got the rim. So let me put these 6 bolts back in and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. Now I have 2 pairs that have the tires on the rims, or the tires on the wheels. Okay, so INJORA wheels with TRX4M tires, and oh, there we go. Yep, I made these both like away from each other, so there we go. Okay, so now these rims are not vented, so if I could squeeze them, they're not vented. I am going to leave them like this for now because I want to see how they run in my high trail. My high trail is not a crawler. It's going to be more of a pretty truck at this point, but I really don't know where I'm going with the build. I'm probably going to just make it as pretty as I can. I don't know if I want to, you know, black this out or anything. I'll do a review on that. But if you are looking to vent the wheels, you could do it 1 or 2 ways. People put holes in the tires themselves. I don't like that too tough unless you know that you're going to use the rims for another build and everything. I like to dedicate the rims or tires to the build. So if they're going to stay with the truck, they're going to stay with the truck. So that's why I don't want to do it. But if you want, you could vent the bottom part of the rim. So this is the bottom part of these rims. So these are the rims that we're looking at right here. Okay. So what you do is you take 1/16. Is that showing? 1/16 or a 5/64 drill bit, and then you just line it up and drill right through. Try to get it in the middle because there's not that much meat in here, and then I would just go across. I would do it with the 1/16 first and then go across. You could go 1 step lower. I wouldn't go higher than this bit in my opinion. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of these rims and then I'm gonna show you guys a little cameo of the high trail with all the rims and tires on it, the wheels and tires. Ugh. I'll be honest with you, you can't beat that stock look with some real performance wheels. I can't even talk. I'm like real performance wheels. So they fit awesome. And then you get the weight that you want to hold them down. So that way the truck is, you know, it's still top heavy, but you're going to have that weight at the bottom. And I just killed my display. So the inserts that we just installed are 35 grams a piece. So that is a total of 140 grams total added to the truck, and that's added to the bottom of the truck. So hopefully that keeps this bad boy down. All right. I hope you guys like my background. I wanted to set it up so I could have another display to take pictures and everything. I like the way it's looking. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like my background that I made for myself. And it is a sticker, so it's not even taped up. It's a sticker. It's awesome. All right, if you guys are interested in doing anything like this to the back of your workbench, just simply make whatever picture you want. Go over to Staples, and they'll get that done for you. All right? It cost about like $35. It's 18 by 20, 18 by 24. I think it is. Yes. All right. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching. Later.